Kuringana na uria wale mubunge wale Uhuru George Nyanja, mihango ya guthundura unyitaniri wale matari na ciama iri hakuhi gukinyanira thutha wa guthondeka kamiti ya mwanya iri kuhaririria kigomano kiao kia mwanya. Akiaria hindi ya kigomano kiria gigwikinyitio ni magavana atatu aria mahagurirwo hindi ya githurano kia Ahuraniri gia kiama kia Jubilee, William Kabogo wa Kiambu, Kinuthia Bogwa wa Naikuru na Joseph Dathi wa Kirinyaga. Nyanja augite ngwataniro ithondeketwo thutha wa guthogwo kwa maumirira ma ithurano cia Ahuraniri.
Those were not primaries. We had been promised by the head of state, who is our president, and even our presidential candidate, that the nominations were going to be free, fair, and credible. But nothing could have been further from it. Nothing like that. These were shambolic, useless, unintelligent kind of elections.
Niongereire kuga ni megukorwo makiuria arumiriria makeyumiria kwa wingi gugacagura mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta, kuona we ndanyitire itemi guthongomania ithurano cia Ahuraniri kuria aigi ao mahotirwo.
Those who succeeded are photocopy leaders. Our people deserve original leaders of their choice, and therefore we want the president to come out when we invite him.
Miario yo ni nyititwo mbaru ni John Mututho uranyotera giturwa kia ugavana kaunti-ini ya Naikuru.
And I don't know what is itching these photocopiers and photocopy leaders, because if they really got it, why should they worry? Like in Nakuru, somebody got 300,000 votes. I got that 1,000. That's 10%. Why would you be worried of the guy who got hardly 10% of your vote?
Ginyanagia riu makiria ya andu 4,000 nimeandikithitie na kamiti ya ithurano miaka IEBC gukahuranira iturwa mwanya mwanya cia utongoria mari andu kiumbe. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.